So as I said, I think I wanted to show two functionalities today. The second functionality is the historical operations data, which you can evaluate with this tool. As I said, I think if you cannot measure it, you cannot improve. And so especially in these days where our customers, as I said, are faced also with topics like emission reduction in the summer maintenance in street cleaning, or then also the salt reduction in the winter maintenance, a good database is really key for doing that. And IntelliOPS offers many different reporting tools which can really also help you to achieve those goals which I just mentioned. So if we click here on the History tab, on the Actions and Journeys, then we actually can select a date, a time range where we would like to look at the activities of the machine. So now we have yesterday and today. We click on the Next button here, and then you have one sweeper in action. If you have more than one sweeper, of course, you would also see different sweepers which you can select. And so we go to the next page here, and then you see a lot of different journeys, and we can now click on the Show button. We zoom in, and then you see again here what the activities of the Swingo were in the last 2 days. So quite a lot of activities, if you see, like going around the block. We have now here also, if you see on the left lower side of the system, you see a button. And if you click here, you get directly into the so-called Journeys report. And this is really, you have all of your data which you need in here. So you see on the top, there's again a core summary of the core data. You see how many machines were active, how much time the machine has been sweeping in the time frame you selected. So here it was 46 minutes. You see that the productivity, so the amount of time the machine has been sweeping versus driving. You see the total fuel used by the machine, so 5 liters in this case. And you see an average fuel usage per hour as well. You can, of course, there's a lot more data than that. You can, if you scroll a little bit down, you can see the details of each journey in a table format, which you can also extract. Sorry. And if you scroll very much down here, you have also some different visualization tools, which you can then use also, for example, for internal reporting, in case you would like to showcase a little bit what the machine has been doing. So we have here, for example, the productivity, as I just mentioned, 74% of the time the machine here was working, and 26% of the time it was driving. So the productivity is in that case 74%. And if you look into the middle, you again also see the activities which have been performed, which is then the work. The machine has been, of course, sweeping the entire time then. On the right-hand side, you see the average speed of the machine, also quite useful. And if you would like more information than that, if you would really like to also go into individual rides, you can also do that. So you click here, you have the different journeys which your machine has been doing on the top again. You click on one of those, and then you see again really detailed what time has what activity been performed. You see also the table again, and you see, of course, for example, also here the fuel data over time which the machine has been using.